Hi guys, another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be trying all these weird snacks. Hold on, let me just not the Pepsi though. Sorry, the Pepsi's, let me just move that up. Not the Pepsi. Okay, but we have a let me pull it back a bit. We have a range of weird snacks we've got from like the UK, these snacks. So yeah, I also have milk on standby because I can handle heat alright, but I've never had Carolina Reaper, so I don't know if I can handle that alright. So let's start. I'm probably just gonna start with a drink. This one. Grapeade. These are the Arizona drinks, yeah. They're cold as hell as well because they've been in the fridge ever since I got them. Okay. Also, I can smell it inside. These are huge. It's like, okay. This just tastes like weak grape, like watered down. I don't fuck with that. This is shit. I'm not looking forward to the rest. That's still 12. I'm not looking forward to the rest now. And I'm gonna put them like on a little, like what is it called? Like a little like a scale. So I'm gonna push all this shit down. So it's already at the end because it's fucking disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna go stronger than another drink. I'm gonna go matcha mango. Matcha mango? You can't go wrong. I love mango. So oh, this is gonna be watered down. I don't think you're gonna like any of these drinks. Wait. It's kind of shit, but it's not worse than this. Like, it's better than that one. This one is shit. Yeah, so this one is, the mango's better than this, the Grapeade, but still fucking foul. Okay, let's get all the drinks away. This is fruit punch. Oh. Smells so fucking foul. I need to stop smelling them, okay? I just need to go straight to it. It can't taste like Dr. Pepper. I like Dr. Pepper, but this just tastes like a really shit drink. This is like, hold on, let me go. This is really disgusting. I don't know what it tastes like. Like, it's meant to be like a fruit punch. I can kind of taste some grape in it, but it's shit. I just have to decide, is it? No, I reckon the mango is way better than that. I'm never drinking one of these again. Okay, watermelon. You literally can't go wrong with watermelon. You can't. But I said that about the mango, so it's probably gonna be bad. And I'm not gonna spill this one. I'm just gonna go. They taste like watered down. It's disgusting. This is probably, the mango's better than it. So these are all the Arizona drinks. So it goes grapeade, worse. Fruit punch, watermelon, and then mushroom mango. I have one more drink. It's this. I don't know if I'm meant to mix it. It doesn't say. It's this, whatever the hell this is. It's a guava drink. It's soda. And it's, don't know that brand. I've never heard of it. Ow. I can't open this. Why the fuck is it on so hard? No. Can't find the can, like a bottle opener. It has to be so, oh wait, I'm getting it. It's just twisting, it's not coming up. So I might need a bottle opener. Oh my god. I don't have. Oh my god, yes we do. I was like, I'm pretty sure we have a blue one. Alright. Guava. I took the small sip and that shit's fucking worse than the grapeade. That is disgusting. Okay. I kind of want to get this pickle over and done with because it's like one of these and it's like rubbery and I don't fuck with that. Also it's a hot pickle, so it's gonna be interesting. I don't know how I'm just gonna. It smells really hot. Oh my god. It's like rubbery. Okay, I'm just gonna take a chunk. Wait. It kind of smells like Macca's pickles though, wait. That is not my time. And that is just so disgusting. I should have took a chunk out of it. I'm gonna say it's. What should I rate the drinks? It's in between fruit punch and watermelon. It's really bad and now my mouth's all hot and I'm not looking forward to eating these really hot chips. Okay. I'm just gonna go with these next. These like those popping things. You meant to like squish it with your mouth or something, so I'm scared. I'm scared, I don't wanna wait. It's okay, it's okay. Wait. That's kind of good. I don't want to try every single flavor. Oh, I will. Okay, that's grape's really good. What is this? Mango? Mango, I love mango, so. One, that nearly made me choke because it like shot straight back my throat. And two, mango's not good. Mango's not good. Okay, strawberry. Try to just get through these. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. There's just one everywhere. This was better than mango, but still shit. Okay. Blueberry and pineapple. Okay. I need to clean that up after. Wait, I've already done it. I just fucking did this. It's not blueberry either. It's fucking something else. I'm scared. I'm scared. You're not gonna believe it. It literally shot into the wall across the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, these are so fucking messy. It's on my camera. Oh my god. I'm just gonna insert photos because I need to fucking clean my camera. I'll be back. I'm back. That was funny until I realized there's like shits on my fucking camera. Like fuck, that's the last one because that was so bad. Fuck you, pineapple. Just because of that, it's going at the fucking end. Let's try these, whatever these are. I can't believe that was everywhere. They're glue. Oh my god. I can't even chew these, like, they're so fucking hard. No, first of all, they were so hard to chew, and then they're like, had a shit taste. They're going at the end. I just want it to be tasty decent. Okay, now these sour jelly, baby. Oh, I'm gonna try this one. That's too sour. That's going after the glue hot glue. I don't really like sour things, but I like sour gummy worms, but then I don't like anything else. Alright. These now. Okay. And I'm scared about these because they've got like cheese. It's like a cheese inside of a like a pepper chili thing, and then like it's fried or something. And it's had jalapeno poppers. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Oh, I can smell the heat coming off them. Smell it. Oh my god. These are fine. They don't even taste like jalapeno yet. Like, these are so... think that's my favorite thing. No, I'm not even like they're hot. Looks like a nice hot. And then wipe this off my fingers for that one. Those are really good. Oh my god. Wait, I messed the whole fucking thing up. This is their version of the one. Really good, like, no, okay. Carolina Reaper, but I feel like are these the same brand? Yeah, the same brand, so I don't think they're gonna. Oh wait, this has a little scale on it. It's extra hot. All right, let's go. I'm strong. Cheers. Try not to smell them because I can smell them. Oh my god, these ones are like, oh, these are going to be easy. They're small. Like, I'm gonna eat this first. I can't speak. Those are a bit hot. Oh my god. Okay. I kind of want to see how many of these I can eat before I like have to stop, because it pains me. What's the time? Yes, no, just kidding. It's 3:18. Okay. I'm gonna see how many of these I can eat before I physically cannot eat anymore because of spice. 1. Also, I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna go. Okay, 1. 2. 3. 4. I can fucking feel it. 5. 5. Breathing fire. I have goosebumps for some reason. I'm gonna push for 10. I'm gonna push for 10. Mm-hmm. 6. My mouth is like watering, like it's. I'm gonna start crying. Okay, 6. Don't think about it, it's fine. It's just normal cheese bus. It's just. Mm. 8. Okay. It's so not hot, it's not hot. Wait, 9. Fuck, what count am I on? Was that one 8? Yeah, it has to be. 9. 10. I'm gonna swallow it so you guys know I'm not faking it. I don't fucking know how because I've literally drinking so much milk. Okay. I'm happy with this order. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed being in pain because I liked none of those snacks. I'm probably gonna make this into a series, so comment down below if you have like any snacks that you think that like I might be able to find that you think like that from like different hold on, take two. Comment down below if you have any snacks that you think I should try that are like weird or like odd brands or stuff like that, and if I haven't tried them I'll put them in the next video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. My mouth fucking didn't because I'm breathing flames. Like the video if you want, you don't have to, and subscribe if you want, you don't have to if you like my content, and comment more like video ideas that you want to see because I do want to do, like I've got so many ideas and I'm just like I want to do so much shit. So comment down below if you have an idea and I'll probably end up doing it. But apart from that, that looked like a fucking hamburger, sorry. Have a great rest of your day.